Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the application of expansion of solids. Okay, please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET, and also forward to the first year and second year students, okay, who are going to study this intermediate. Okay, now see the first one. So what happened when the solids are heated? The expansion takes place. Okay, the expansion takes place and the solids are heated. Now I want to fix a iron drum on a wooden cartwheel. See what happens. This is a wooden wheel. Okay, that is the wooden wheel. Now I want to fix it on the surface of this. This is a iron rim. This is a iron rim. See, for a horse cart wheels, the iron rim is fixed around the wooden wheel. So before fixing it, they are heating the iron rim, then it will be expanded, and when it is adjusted on the surface of wood, then they will be cooled, then it will be fixed. Okay, that is the first example, fixing of iron rim on the wooden wheel. Next, second one, in the railway tracks, if you observe railway tracks, see, this is called rails. See what happens. In between them, a small gap is left. So why the gaps are left? Why the gaps are left in railway tracks means, in summer season the expansion of metal takes place. In summer season the expansion of metal takes place. So there exists a small gap between the two rails, so that during the expansion in summer. Okay, that is the second one. Third one, I am considering a glass bulb. Now on that glass bulb, pour hot water. Then what happens on the glass? Pour hot water. Then what happens? The glass will break or not? The glass will break. Okay, so when the glass will break, then what is happening to the glass? That the glass will break due to even expansion or uneven expansion. Okay, next, fourth one, on a glass, if cool water is sprinkled, that means if we consider a hot chimney, let us consider a hot chimney. Okay, on the hot chimney, sprinkle cool water. Then what happens? Then also the chimney will break due to uneven contraction. Here the glass will break due to uneven expansion, and this glass will break due to uneven compression or contraction. Okay, next, fifth one. What happened to the water? So water, when it is from 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, when the water is heated from 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, the water level becomes decrease. After 4 degrees centigrade, the water level becomes increased. Okay. Indian rubber. What are the substances contract on heating? Indian rubber, water. Okay. So there are many. Some of them are examples. Okay. Next, sixth one. Which are length of the simple pendulum. Length of the simple pendulum, and they are said to be pendulum clocks. Pendulum clocks. The time period of simple pendulum is represented by T equal to 2 pi root L by G. I already informed in units and measurement. Now this T is proportional to root L. This root L can be written like this: L power 1 by 2. L power 1 by 2. Now the fractional change in time period is represented by delta T by T. Delta T by T is equal to half multiplied with delta L by L. In units and measurement, I gave a formula. If A is equal to x power n, then the relative error in A is represented by delta A by A is equal to n multiplied with the delta x by x. So like that, we are getting delta T by T is equal to half delta L by L. Okay. Now the coefficient of linear expansion is represented by delta L by L delta T. Delta L by L delta T. This delta L by L is equal to how much? Alpha delta T. This delta L by L is equal to alpha delta T. Therefore, delta T by T is equal to half alpha delta T. Half alpha delta T. So this delta T by T is called fractional change in time period. Fractional change in time period, and this delta T is called the change in temperature. The change in temperature. So if they are asking, this is a T is called what? Time period. This time period may be per second, per minute, per hour, per day, like that. In skill problems, they will be given in any way. Okay. Per day means how many seconds? 24 hours, 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Per hour means how many seconds? 60 multiplied with 60. Per minute means 60 seconds. Okay. Now what happens? The pendulum clocks and they are heated. That means in pendulum clocks, how many seasons we are taking? Winter season and summer season. In winter season, what happens? The temperature becomes decrease. When the temperature becomes decreased, what happens? The length of the pendulum decrease. The length of the pendulum decreased means time period must be increased. Time period must be increased. Similarly, during the summer season, as the temperature increases, the length also increases. When the length increases, the time period decreases. The time period decreases. So in the summer season, it will move very slow. In the winter season, it will move very fast. Okay, these are the applications of expansion of solids. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET. Okay, thank you for watching.